Hello everyone, 大家好. Welcome to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 minutes YouTube channel. Today's topic is about why Chinese, especially older generations, eat noodles on birthdays. In Western cultures, people eat cakes on their birthdays. But in Eastern culture, especially old generations, eating noodles is a must during this happy occasion. The noodles eaten on birthdays is called shoumian. Shoumian in English means long noodles eaten on birthday to symbolize a long life. The Chinese word shou means life or age. Mian is noodles. Story of eating shou mian. The tradition of eating shou mian dates back to the Western Han Dynasty. Xi Han Nian Jian. According to historical data, 史料 in the early stage of Western Han, the dynasty was ruled by Han Emperor Liu Che, Han Wu Di Liu Che. Emperor Liu Che was into Confucianism and Taoism. He was especially interested in pursuing immortality, 长生不老. One day, after discussing the state affairs with his ministers, Emperor Liu Che started talking about things concerning longevity. He said there is saying 脸长就寿长. Long face means long life. In accordance to a book on physiognomy, 相书, if a person's philtrum, 人中, that means the space between your nose and upper lip is 1 centimeter long, this meant this person can live to be 100 years old. Upon hearing this, all the ministers except Dongfang Shuo nodded in agreement. Dongfang Shuo, a Han scholar official, laughed and said, the legendary Peng Zhu, who lived over 834 years in the Shang dynasty, must have had a really long face. Everyone burst out laughing and realized that it was quite silly to wish a long face with having a long life. This saying spread far and wide, and the phrase 脸长就是面长 was born. People started playing with words because the Chinese words 脸 and 面 both mean face, and mian also means noodles. Thus, the tradition of eating long noodles for a long life was born. How do the Chinese eat birthday noodles? The custom of eating shoumian varies from places to places. Number 1. In some places, a person will pick the noodle from a bowl to a very high position and ask the rest, is it long? The rest will say, long, and this person will place the noodle in each person's bowl. Number 2. In some places, Everyone has to pick up a few noodles in their bowls and put them in the bowls of the elderly. They will then say auspicious words such as blessings and longevity. Number 3. When eating the birthday noodles, it is unlucky to break the noodles. Your lifespan will be shortened if the noodles are broken. Number 4. Some places believe that the noodles cannot be full because full life is also unlucky. Number 5. When celebrating birthdays, it is customary to serve the longevity noodles with 2 eggs. This is because eggs can hatch chickens, which is a symbol of life. Together with the long noodles, it represents people's expectations and wishes for longevity. Lastly, in some places, before eating the eggs are boiled and peeled, and after that, they will roll the egg on the face before finally eating it. This is called 滚运, rolling luck, which symbolizes good luck in the new year. That is all we have for you today. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are interested in our videos. Thank you. 我们的视频就到此结束，谢谢大家。